Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c : and hit enter. Then we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Type c : then hit enter. Now type cd space c : / and hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space Windows and press enter. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy *** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space ** space backup1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Execute this command. Type dir, then simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Now execute this command cd space c : /. Now type cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback and hit enter to execute. Now type this command bcdedit space /export space c : /bcd backup and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type attrib space c : -boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Now type run space c : \boot \bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuildbcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.